cough and cold is so irritating. What do I eat?
If you have symptoms like cold, cough, or sore throat, don't get panic. Use these nutritional ingredients like cloves, cinnamon, tulsi leaf, lemongrass, garlic, ginger, black pepper, honey in your meals while cooking or as an herbal infusion. The details of the herbal infusion is given in the recipe list. You can take from there and prepare your herbal infusion. These ingredients will be of lot of help to you. They will help you to relieve your symptoms, and also you can do salt water gargling. You can also use fitkari known as alum salt and a pinch of turmeric